Hello everyone, welcome to another week of MakerLab STEM Edition. This week my question is, why do things fly? How do those airplanes stay up in the sky? How do the birds get around? And while we're at it, let's make our own boomerang airplane. Have you ever been close enough to see an airplane? I have. I know that they come in many different sizes. And I always wondered, how do airplanes stay in the air? They're so big and they're so heavy. This is what I found out. We now know how airplanes stay in the air, but how do birds fly? How are they different from an airplane? How do paper airplanes fly? Well, actually, they don't fly. They glide, and this is why. For our hands-on project, we're going to create boomerang airplanes. What does it mean when I say boomerang? With some clever engineering and some help from physics, we're able to make our airplane come back to us. Here are a few key points of what makes this airplane work. The front of the airplane needs a little bit of weight. You're going to notice there's going to be more folds at the front of your airplane. The wings are going to be shaped in an aerodynamic way to help it sustain its flight. Finally, we're going to add a little bit of a bend on the tips of the back wings that will help it curve and make its way back to our hands. You can start making your boomerang airplane with these supplies: a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper, a ruler, and a pencil. If you are stuck on a step, you can always stop the video, go back, and view again. To discover more, read the description below and follow those links to great books about flight.